Today we'll talk about how can you enable uh, alt text on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. Then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to alt text. You come here to require alt text before posting. Click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as may require alt text before posting. Enable with us now. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.